Is your Samsung phone not detecting Bluetooth devices like wireless earbuds or a smartwatch? It's a common issue, and it can stop you from connecting your favorite gadgets easily. But don't worry, this is usually a simple connectivity problem, and there are a few easy ways to fix it. Let me show you how. Now, before we start, to make sure to enable Bluetooth connection of both devices and keep the devices in a close range. After that, open Setting, tap Connection, tap More Connection Setting, scroll down, enable Nearby Device Scanning. After that, follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Enable Bluetooth HCI Snoop Lock. Go to Settings, scroll down to the bottom, tap Developer Options. Make sure to turn it on. After that, tap Enable Bluetooth HCI Snoop Lock. Then tap Enabled. Solution 2. Forget previously connected devices. Go to Settings, tap Connection, then tap Bluetooth. Tap on the settings icon to the right of the previously connected device name. Tap Unpair from the right bottom corner. Tap Unpair. After that, check your issue whether it is solved or not. If not, Solution 3. Check your software update. Go to Settings again, scroll down, tap Software Update, then tap Download and Install. If you have any update available, then install it. Solution 4. Reset Bluetooth Settings. Go to Settings, scroll down, tap General Management, scroll down again, tap Reset, scroll down. Now tap Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Settings. Then tap Reset Settings. Wait for a while and your problem should be fixed. And that's how you can fix the issue of your Samsung phone not finding any Bluetooth devices. If the problem is still there, just leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you out.